Hello friends. Today I want to show you the world map infographics. This is an animated template for PowerPoint. Discover a great world map template. This is a wonderful fully editable infographic template for presentations about geography, traveling, and GPS location. When it is time to give a presentation to people, you must be well prepared to grab as much people's attention as possible. This template will make the slides in your PowerPoint or Google Slides presentations more interesting and brighter. Use the following world map template to improve the design of your presentation. There are two color options for this template. One is a blue colored world map on a black background, and the other one is a gray colored world map on a white background. All around the map, there are red points which stand for GPS location. You have enough text placeholders for your own content. You can change the title and subtitle easily. This template is available in many formats and is applicable to work in different programs. This is the best solution for improving the general design of your current presentation. All graphics in this template are fully editable. Easy change any color with using the color schemes in PowerPoint. You can download this template for free at the link in description below. Please press the like button if you like this template, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.